kill her. Who comes in there?
He comes into my room at night.
I'm looking after a 7-year-old. It's not my problem.
Unforgettable Thrillers, every Monday night at 9 on ITV1. The Conspirators Talker is back to restore common sense to current issues. From violence to the diet industry, and